So can you see, guys? This some of these stuff blue I do, purple when I do where I some psychology levels. I will tell you psychology levels and zones and stuff like that. So these are the things first. I come to the daily, I see that this is a trend market. So I'm looking for what a buy. However, doesn't mean that because a trend market, a sell will not happen. It usually happen. So this is market. So however, a sell could happen. And being a day trader, I just want to catch something out of the market of that 40, 50, 60 pips or so as the case may be, as we want to catch up from the market. So I'm looking at it, I see that this is a trend market. However, being a trend market doesn't mean you to not sell. You definitely still sell because it's a buy and sell market. So after then I look into it and I see that looking at the USD UJ, it was a trend market and the market came to this place. Every trend market, of course, we are not a newbie. Everything that makes a trend market is because such market has what we call higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low. That's why we make it. That's why we call it that's why we call it a trend market. This is for downward market. This is a trend market. It has to be. Am I talking, guys? Right?
Yes.
This is how market we have. Whenever Elliott way, this is how market moves. So once it's a trend market, it has to be like this. Awesome. So in the daily, it's telling us that it's moving in a trend upward market. So in an upward market, let me do this. So we came to this stage. What did our complexes to take that way was this? So upward market, and it came here. The market make a high here. Then it's expected to what? To come down and make a lower low here. But it dropped down. As I said, sometimes it could make a lower low or equal low. Doesn't make that trade invalid. Sometimes maybe we like because it's making a lower equal low. It's not invalid yet until it comes down below this lower low, the previous one, then it can become to be looking invalid. Then to now the test back. If you test back, you'll be closing a small pips, a small loss, then you can close. Now see what the market has done. A higher high, and then from there, and you just get to this place. It did a equal low without doing a lower low. Who is that? Because my class, because I have just 40 minutes here. Who is that? Please put yourself on WhatsApp. Who is on WhatsApp? Because my class. Join the Zoom, please. Join the Zoom. Tell him to join the Zoom, please. Or more Muslim. Who is that? Okay, Adedayo, you're welcome, please. Kindly join the Zoom, Adedayo. So as you can see, so you can see the this thing. Also, I'm sharing my screen on Zoom. So it came here. With I can we see? Yeah, it comes to do equal I. That means the market is telling us something. Price action is speaking something. Then it comes back again to do equal I again. This thing is called anything you look at for this thing in the market is a powerful stop in the market. This is what's called double top. So people call it M pattern. Some people call it double top. This top, whenever you see these tops, market is reversing. There is nothing you can tell me. There is nothing you can tell me. Market will definitely. And one of the things also is that if it comes to the higher, one of the things I study in the market is this. Now look out for this. If you see double top in 5 minutes time frame, the market will deal with 10 pips. Someone should write this thing down, so I want to know. Now you see double top in a 15 minute time frame, 15 minute time frame, the market will give you 10, 15 pips, at most 20 pips. Once you see double top or M pattern, people don't know this. So why some questions? I noticed this recently. Normally, the market will reverse at a double top, meaning that buyers no longer have the strength to push further. So sellers are coming in. And mostly, if this happens on what psychology level, I'll show you psychology level, I'll show you zones level, I will show you necklines. These are the things you look out in the chart. If it happens in psychology level, it will definitely reverse. So now, if it happens in 5 minutes, we look for 10 pips at most. That's what it calls scalpers. 5, 10 pips. In time frame, it will give you at least 15, 12, 15 pips. 1 hour, we give you at least 40 pips to 50 pips, at least 30 pips. 4 hours will give you 60 pips upward. Daily will give you crazy pips, like 80 pips or 100 pips. Good. Now let's what I just said now. Let's now look at it. This one now in the daily stop now came to do double top and it dropped. Now let's look at the pips it gives us. I hope I'm not too fast. I hope I'm not starting from the advanced level. Guys,
you're going well.
I hope it's not too advanced.
No, you're going well.
I believe everybody. I believe everybody. No, this is not a baby class where we need to talk about pips and so also not a baby class. So that's it. So how many people still down, guys? Let me show you so you can see. See the mighty move. How many pips is this, guys? How many pips? Can we see it? How many pips is this?
That is 227 pips.
227 pips. Awesome. Can you see that? Because it's what it happens in the daily. Can you see the crazy above 100? Can you see the can you see now? Crazy. So good. Now, if it were to be, so note that one first. Note that one in the back of your mind. Now, so because of that market gave us double top and it was a trending market, so we knew that it's gonna reverse. Fine. So it's gonna reverse, but here it's a trending market. If it's a trending market, but yet, so we failed to recognize this double top because of another thing we saw is that this candlestick. Now, whenever you see this stuff, right? You see this candlestick, guys. This is called inverter hammer. This is called hammer. I will send you some PDF for us so you can study some candlestick. This is called hammer. This is also called inverter too. This candlestick is means rejection. That price will sellers reject, buyers rejected this thing. So as see as be like hammer. Can you see now? Just like hammer now. Can you see like hammer? So this is called hammer candlestick. So this hammer means rejection. That people are rejecting that buyers are rejecting the price they want to push for that. They are rejecting it. So this was what we saw. This is a strong rejection, and again it was a straight line. This is what anything you see me mark green. Those are what psychology levels. I'll teach you psychology levels. That's another class. I'll teach you that one. So in education, this psychology, how to plot psychology levels. So we saw this rejection. It was so strong. But if we were to have waited for another rejection, 2 or 3, definitely this market would buy. But it was just once. So that once that makes sellers to overpower this market. That's why we sold downward. Even though we already saw this double top, but being that double top, yes, is the trend line, it could still overrule because of the power that is coming from the trend line, from the buyers. The power of the buyer is coming. So it could still overrule the double top or maintain it. So how you can know this double top is when you now come to the lower time frame and see the candlesticks and the chart pattern that is printing. You cannot be sure this double top will hold or it will not hold. So let's come lower. So I'm showing us how we lost it. Let's come lower. See now. Let's come lower. Can you see that? That the price will come. The hammer I told you about, and it's already showing that this is going already. So it means that price it was pushed down by sellers. But what being a buying market and seller buyers are more in the market than them, they are pushing it back. That's why we took the buy. But whereas the double top I show you from the daily held, which is was starting from here. That's why it came down. That's why we lost the market. And I think it was even news. Yeah, it was news. If there wasn't news, probably the market will continue to buy. If there wasn't news, so have you seen how complexes will meet, how different stuff would affect your decisions in the market? And one thing I also noticed in the market is that lately, as we are reducing our signals to like 1 or 2, market is becoming so complex. This is the time where market is very crazy, uncertainty is coming up because people are traveling. Do you know that November, December, some traders don't even trade at all. That's why I even limit my trading times. Sometimes I trade 4 times in a day, in a week, 3 times in a week. Now 2 times, 1 time in a week, and I'm profitable, back to back. Sometimes in a week, two times, one times. Next week now it could be one time I would say, or two times. Most times, so because of what? November, December, market will become so complex. So complex. Like, people are traveling, moving here and there. Some currencies will be so unpredictable, different stuffs. People are moving out of United States, go to another place to go and do something. People are moving out of this, different stuff is happening right now. Go to Dubai just to spend some vacation. Different stuff is happening right now. Many people both accounts at this moment. Professionals will testify to you that December, November, if you can skate through and then be very, very careful. We have to just reduce our sticking so like 2 or 1. Sometimes it could be just be 1. We are so sure that because of what the uncertainty that's beginning to come in the market. After December, January, now market will come back stable again. By February, March, then the stability of the market will begin to come back to normal again. Who notice that? I've noticed in the season that we have to reduce our signals. In fact, we send a 4 signal 5. After which can make 4 or 3, can so something like that. I have to just reduce it like 2, IS3 sometimes. So what complexity in the market. That was why we lost that market. We lost it there. So and the market pulled up. Now, see what I'm telling you now. After the market pulled down, there is this trend line I do. See this trend line I do. I use this first stuff. I use this trend line. I use this psychology levels. I use this neckline, price action, and what else? What else is I use in the market? I don't use my indicator. They are flopped. They are not many. It doesn't work. If you know price action, all that stuff doesn't work. So the market now came back to our trend line. Trend line means a support zone. Trend line could also represent a demand and supply zone. Am I talking, guys? I want to be sure I'm not too fast or I'm not too speaking out of context. Yes. Everybody is getting what I'm saying. This is an advanced class. Awesome. So market now came back here. Okay, now came out of our trend line and it came to the psychology level. I'll call you out to plus psychology levels. I'll teach you about that on later. Psychology levels, these are going to psychology levels. Market respects it so much. I'll tell you how to do that. Market respects psychology levels so much. This one that is pink is called zones. I'll tell you how to plot that. Let's do the review. Let's dumb it down. How to plot the zones. So market now came back to our psychology levels. This is psychology levels. And then did something. Okay, this was here. Okay, sorry, got that place here. So that place here. Came back to that trend line. It didn't break it. Imagine this was later in our bucket. This place came back to it, to this zone. Then what? Remember what I told you? Now did the what? Double bottom. When it's in double bottom in 1 hour, at least to give you what? 30 pips. These are what we study in the market, we just know. So if you are combating in the market, very well, we know. Now see it now. What I just said. It did double bottom. How many people did it? How many pips is this? Let's check it out. Some traders don't know, but do we know that? Some people will just tell you that. How many pips? Even more than 30 pips. How many pips is this, guys? How many pips? Are you there? Are you there, guys?
Yes, we're here.
How many pips is that? How many pips is that? How many pips is that?
I think that's more than 30 pips.
Awesome, more than 30 pips, about 90 pips. Good. So what is in a strong higher time frame? That is what 1 hour. At least you give 40, 50 at least on like that. The first one was what? About 40 something pips or 50. Now you tested, then go again. So buy the market. No, if you don't determine, that's what I say in the market, don't use one thing to say to buy. You will certainly, but it's complex. You have to join together with 4, 5, or 3. If I don't determine this win alone, this market bam. Because it's double top. So when you are starting up, you just think because you're using one complex or 2 complexes and things, you have to combine. Should be so sure market is crazy because once you buy, you buy. Once you say, and you'll be in trouble. I used to imagine it's possible that once you buy and you only use standard lot size at 1. How should I see that it's against you? Why can't you just reduce that 1 to like 0.1? Is it possible? How many of you have thought about that?
Yeah, I have.
Yeah.
I see that.
Because you don't want to see this to I'm not wrong already. You don't see this from this another size to like 0.01. It's not possible. So that is, you have to combine more conferences. I'll tell you more as we get to go. So let's quickly do the next one. But this one, we lost this. We're not meant to lose this trade, actually. We're not meant to lose this trade, actually. We're not meant to lose this. I just said we should close because of what I saw here. Whereas we didn't lose, it wasn't a see now, I start from daily actually. That's my listing and draw my trend line and stuff like that. So this was the trade we asked us to close 8 pips, minus 8 pips. Why I said we should close was this. This was a trending market. And of course, higher, lower. This is what a neckline. And let me just explain the neckline to us. Neckline is where market expected and built through. Can you hear me? Are you with me? Can you hear me? Mr. Shea, are you there? Are you there? I'm only hearing James. So, Oluwasegun, are you there? Hello? I can hear you, please.
Yes, I can hear you.
Awesome. What about Adedayo? Are you there? Adedayo?
Yes, I can hear you. Very
awesome.
clearly.
I want to be sure everybody is coming and going along. Awesome. So this is what we call neckline. Markets expect necklines a lot. But sometimes it overrules it. That's why I say market is complex. If you know Forex, you know nothing is certain. Don't always think because market expects nothing is certain. Just as I said, how to trade first is what. Oh, go in with first position. I see some traders just like bam, buy, bam, 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 bam. You don't ta 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 ta, 10 ta ta ta. And it goes against you. You don't like market is, if you understand the market, you know that uncertainty is market, it's probability. Until the thing shows I'm going your way, then you can be starting. Ta ta, break even, this one. Hey, I'm starting. But it's not even show. You just enter, you already think, it's bad. You can say it's bad, but yeah, it can put. So manipulators can come into markets and just put their funds and divert this thing for you. Then it starts selling. That's what called uncertainty that happens in the market. So market is very, very dynamic and uncertainty is very, very much in the market. So you can't just go in once, one. So it's not true. That's why I said if you are using one lot size, you want to divide it by 4 or 5. That would be 25, 25, 25, 25. That is like in 5 places. Go in or sell like that. By one bush, that's all, and that is all they want to use. And market go against you, you're being lost. You don't feel like that because anything can happen. Even though it will sure like this, until it's not my favor, I'm not sure. That is it. If you know the market, you know that's how it works. So these are what we call necklines. I'll also show you more of necklines. These are what we call necklines, where necklines could be probably demand and supply zones, or more of necklines is called where market. Let me show you. Let me just show you a small example. The neckline is this. When there's neckline, market expects necklines a lot. Now let me say market move like this, bam. Okay, let me tell you this one. Market move like this. Now, this is when market now come to this place. Neckline. Can you see, guys? Neckline. Can you see, guys? Neckline. Can you see this thing I do? Hello, guys.
Yes, we can see it.
Awesome. These things I do, this horizontal line I call necklines. Neckline. Market expects it a lot. So you can sell, you can buy at that place. Those are market. Then I will not just do my trend line. One of the powerful thing is this: when market join neckline with trend line at this joint, it will buy. And it's not showing a candlestick of confirmation that I showed you guys. A candlestick that I showed you guys, all those candlesticks, of course. I show you the candlestick confirmation and everything. My dear, to buy. I jam it better size. Even though I know that nothing is certain, no. Yeah, it's not certain, no, but yeah, still coming first one. Check it out. But even though it's better size, you don't know that yet you are ready to take that loss, even if it go against you. So that is how it is. Let me keep going. So as time goes on, we'll get to understand some things more better. So that's what we call neckline. So market respects those places a lot. In its movement, market expects it a lot. In its movement, it expects those places a lot. So let's quickly do the view of why we lost the other one as well. Why we lost the other one. I said we should close at 8 pips, whereas the market later have sold extensively. I knew it was a sell market though, but what the market printed at that moment, I was like, wow, will this still continue to like this? That was like, wow, will this still continue to? So I just asked us to close. Whereas immediately we close, we didn't stay too long. Market start. Okay, what's this stuff going on? So let me show us. So let me quickly show us why I said we should close and then the last. And again, I'm babbles about one thing why I told us that market is beginning to do uncertainty in the market. We lost EU yesterday, and then we look at it. But that market, I'm still seeing a sell. Even though the stopper was tight. The stopper was tight. We used 30 something pips. It was quite tight. That's why it hit our TP. So let's quickly do the review of this one. How I said we should close. Know that this is a trend market. It's what a buy market. And what I told you today now, neckline. It has broken that neckline. So from here now, this market now is sweet for buy. This market now, but we won't say buy because of what you are saying about in the daily. You can't just say buy. You have to go and support me. I've seen my happen in this market. So you can't judge. As I say, you can't judge one thing, which is crazy. You have to conjoin together, combine. One day now giving you 2-3 conferences, and hey, you have to now build your trust. So let's go. So this is what's called neckline. Thank God we know neckline already now, and why we know that market expects that place a lot. So we took that trade. Let me see. So we took that trade. It was a buy trade, but it shows something on this psychology level. I will tell you what psychology level means. It shows us something on these psychology levels. Now let's see. Now, if you can see very, very well, this is what called this is what guys M pattern. If I show you that you must look out for in the market. M pattern. This is what's called M pattern. That's what's called double top as well. Double top. This blue mark I mark is a demand zone. I'll tell us demand. I mark demand zone. I mark psychological zones. This blue is called demand zone. This is going. I want to call green light for me. They are green light. They are what to call psychology levels. I'll tell us more about that. So this is what's called. Let me show you very well. This is what double top. Remember, that's what I start with. That's one of the things you have to know in the market. That because if you can learn reversal, hey, I think my network. Okay, it's back. If you can learn reversal in the market, you'll be able to know more. Okay, market has reversed. This is what it's doing now. Oh, the market has reversed. It has continued. This is what it's doing by now. Oh, it has gained. You'll be able to know what you have to master something in the market. And then just after then, I think chart is not even the major thing. So after then, you're not going to master psychology and risk management. One of the key things about Forex is still risk management. Because nothing is certain about it. It's 50, it's still a probability. What do I want to risk to gain? People don't understand this thing though. How am I willing to risk to gain? What am I willing to risk to gain? You understand? What am I willing to risk to gain? That's the system about Forex. Financial market. Okay, I want to risk 10 naira, I want to gain 20 naira. People just think, because I make money there, let me just go. I can make money. It's not like that. You will burn your fingers. Oh, so this market did that stuff. I told you. And we come further to 1 hour and see it clearly. Now, see, guys. Double top. Meaning that market was coming higher low, lower higher low, lower higher lower. Did not get to these psychology levels at price 188.23. It did a lower low. Then it fails to do higher high. Then market is telling you, like he's telling you something, and this market is coming down. Am I talking, guys? That is the language the market is speaking to you. Price action. Market is coming down. Good. It should mean what? On the higher, the more strong it comes, the higher the effect will be. If it show me on the 15, it will be. Remember, I tell you, what I start with. 15 is just what? Few pips. 30 just what? 1 hour just what? Not 50 pips. To give you at least 50 will give you at least 18 pips, 20 pips upward. 1 hour at least 30, 40, 50. Or 2 or 4 hours, crazy, 80 pips. Something like that. Daily, come on. Depending on how the market will move. So that is so you don't give another one. I knew this is a sell market. So you get I already have that one confluence and buy. So we now fall and show me indeed it's a sell. If now fail to still do higher again and give me what a lower high. then it fell again. Now this is where we enter the market. So so if you understand, you know that sometimes we may not be wrong. We just be the dynamics of the market. So now let's see. This is where we enter the market now. I think I was on. Is it not Thursday, right? Okay, it was on Wednesday. Is it Wednesday? Okay, yeah, it was on Wednesday. Yeah, it's a guess. It was on Wednesday. Okay, yeah, this place. This place. I guess. Okay, let me see this place. So I just asked us to close because of what the market was doing here. Market started doing some stuff here. This place. Since it has done lower low, this place now is meant to do lower low loss here to come for continuation. That this market is coming down. But it failed to do a lower low. Remember, I told you that when market is trying to fail to do lower low, it's trying to change the structure. Whereas that does not still mean it will change totally. Market is crazy, it's dynamic. So so when you have that mind, you know that you know how to play it safe. So it's already doing that stuff for us. Did it here, did it here, did it here. That's why we changed, we just closing it might buy. That's why we took a buy on that way and we lost that buy totally. That it was still continuing. The market will just fake us out. After it did another equal this thing here, trying to show that okay, I want to go whereas those new sellers that just came in pushed it more further. They were stronger than the buyers that were initially there. The buyers that was initially there were getting weaker already. And those new buyers used their this new power it and it came down. That's why it invalidated that buy we took on Thursday. Because of what we are seeing. Remember what I told you, you're seeing, and it was what on the 1 hour time frame. Can you see now that's why we lost that game? That's why we said no, you can't be going all the time. And doesn't mean you are wrong. And doesn't mean you are so that's what market is. So that's why we lost that trade. Now, very good. So we lost that trade on Thursday. That buy we took instead of it on Thursday. Oh man, we took on Thursday. I need to work on this stuff. Why we took that buy on Thursday. It's been a while. This stuff. So that's why we took that buy on Thursday. So now the market, that's why we took that one on Thursday. So I'm looking at EU now. So this market now, look and tell me what is going to happen now in this market. This GU. On Monday, all these things will happen in this market. And with this neckline, and then since I told you, what will happen to this market? GJ, what will happen to GJ? It will buy or sell. What will happen? Look at it, guys. Let me shrink. What will happen to this market? With this neckline I've taught you and some other double top you'll be working out. What will happen to this market?
I think it will retest that zone. When it retests that zone, it will continue selling.
It will what?
It will retest this zone, like it will retest this zone, try to buy, and then it will definitely go back.
Will it sell or will it buy after retesting? Will it sell or will it buy after retesting that zone? Will it sell or will it buy?
To sell.
Awesome. That is it. That's what I'm looking at for that zone. But we can't just say sell because Forex is crazy. You just have to go to lower time frame and try and check your candlestick. What is going on? What is that candlestick saying? Don't worry, I will send us a PDF file on the candlestick so we can read that PDF file on candlestick. So we can, what is this saying that candlestick? What is this saying? Go. I'm not so sure this thing because market is crazy. You can also violate this neckline. Violate it and change it. It's just crazy. So you have to be very, very sure. But if you look up this, market is meant to sell. Because it has shown a change structure, a market structure in this place for us already. It has already given us lower low, high, lower low, high, lower low, high. And it's coming down on this neckline again. So I'm looking at for sell on this GU. So don't be surprised if I sell sell GJ. Once I see a candlestick, when I come down to this place, I come down to my 15-minute time frame. I'm seeing a wall confirmation. I'm seeing a rejection candlestick. Actually, I told you rejections. I'm seeing a rejection. Almost where I see M pattern. Pam. I see M pattern. Or I see rejections. 1 rejection, 2 rejections, 3 rejections. That is showing that I know that I'm not going. I'm not selling. I'm not buying again. I want to go. It's showing me I'm not going. I want to go. And then it's giving me a confirmation candle here. That is what four compresses. Neckline, neckline, the candlestick confirmation and injection 2. My trend line telling me it's coming down 3. And then what else again? What else again? At least 3 conferences. You can move with that 3 conferences. This one 4, and then change the structure 4. That's all. It's already changed the structure for me on Wednesday. I'll be on Tuesday. I'll change the structure of buy. I already changed the structure from here, and it has shown me it's so and then with the market structure and price action, that's 4. So with that 4, you can make a position. So you can't make commission in the stock market is 1 thing or 2 things. It's 3, 4. That's how you trade the market. So that is how we can just have this. So let's quickly do that issue. I'm so surprised about this issue. How this issue, because if this one is selling, and also you guys should understand some things about correlation. I'll tell you after not today's class. A lot of things you'll be learning. So you are still on the VIP, a lot of things you'll be learning, actually. So on correlations, once this packet is buying, this one to buy. Correlation, understanding of correlation, and some other things like that. My network, or what's going on, village people. So this market now, let us see. Let's do it together now. Why this market is buying? That's one of the things I told you about market, about can you hear me, guys? About the support that is coming in the market lately now. So anything can just happen. So what is meant to buy, we just keep selling. We then later come and buy. What is meant to buy or what is meant to sell, we just keep buying and later come and sell. Fake out. If you tofu for the buy, we just fake out and it now sell massively. And if you go for the sell, it just fake out and it's buy massively. That's very careful. So at this moment, the market is very, very, very complex and uncertain. The uncertainty in the market now is very, very high. Because of what? November, December. People do account and you can easily make money too as well in this payment. So that's why I will streamline my trading days. I don't trade. Sometimes I could trade 4 times in a week. Sometimes now, last week I traded just 2 times profitably. Trading again next week. I'll trade maybe if it is 1 time, I don't mind. If you are not after discipline, contentment is key in the market. If it is all I make, I don't mind. For far I'm not losing that money. I'm coming back next week to come and make another one. Fine, that's what we call consistency. Those things is what will build in you. That's from professionalism. It's not about trading every day. It's about trading every day. But some people don't understand. Some people say, I don't understand. For me, I send signals to you guys. I don't trade every day. Not because I want to be forming, I don't trade every day. It's not like that, though. It's not about forming that I don't trade every day. It's not about the forming, no. It's just about, even though we send the signal, say, sometimes your own perspective might be that buy, and we send sell, and the decision eventually buy. Because of what your own strategy or your own distance doesn't feel with it. And we don't take it. Wait till the next signal. This thing feels, I think it's too low. I'm also looking for it. I'm looking for sell on this, and it's too low. Yeah, he said, and it's fine for you, and it make profit. It's also a good one. That's one of the ways you can use signal to grow yourself. That is it. You can use signal to grow yourself. That is it. So let's check out this EU. I'm still confused about it. See our trend line now. Now, from here, the market was very sold extensively to this place. It got to this place, it did equal. It beat. It got to this place, it go back. It did equal here too. After it did equal here now, can you see that? It's not good higher high. It failed to do a lower, it did a lower low here. It fails to come and do equal. It shows that this market is moving upward. After it did lower low, it did the higher high, then lower low. Then I quickly draw my trend line. Bam. That shows that market is changing the structure. Good. And the market come to this resistance level. That is the demand zone. I can't be buying at this resistance zone now. This is high. So market will have to come back to the demand zone here and buy. That's why I knew that this market will sell yesterday. And then again, it gives a rejection. See, there is one rejection. This is inverter bar. See this rejection. Don't be surprised. This thing can be melted down by tomorrow when the market open and sell to this place. They later buy in the morning, in the Friday or Monday morning. Do all these things by Sunday night and later buy. So I'm still convinced about EU because I know that market nowadays will just be doing something. At this moment, November, December, market is so complex. We're doing different stuff that I can't even imagine. So it's give a rejection. Remember, I told us rejection, how to spot rejection. This is rejections already. There are more things I will tell you. Maybe I will send you the PDF for chart patterns that you can go to and you need to learn something about chart patterns. So this is a rejection one. Get reject it. Then if it can do higher high, lower low 2 times. The 3 times is just to come back. Number 3, market is coming here. Nothing anybody can tell me. My father from my great grandmother should come back and make me up. Jesus said should come and say back. It is not possible. Even if it comes, it still come back here. It might not be in this spot, if we still come back here. I know. That's what I know. Certainty. I know. So the sell is still coming. Why we lost it, I don't understand. But I understand the fact that the market is now becoming so complex at this time. That's December moment. December, one of the complex time in the market is that, and you can also make good money as well too, because currency becomes unstable, different stuff begins to happen in the market and stuff like that. Because why I said so, and we send a buy, and it's extensive. And also, I told us this thing was short. We used just something pips. That was why. So our pips was very, very short. I kicked us out. Don't be surprised when it happens and it sells later on. But I'm still looking out for this buy. Any buy is even going to do. It might not last that long to do much pips. Is to come back here. Because this is a neckline. Don't forget I told you guys neckline. The market is coming back to this neckline. Go and hold it. It's come back to this neckline. Either you like or not. I'm not there's nothing about it. It's coming back to that place. Neckline is come back here. Either it's a weak or anything. See, it touch it here, still come back fully to this support. This is our trend line neckline. Once it jump neckline and trend line, hey, a good one. That's a very good one. Better lot size, but make sure that you can take the weeks if it is coming. That's what I'm telling I do. If it's making my highest, if I see that this trade is meeting the highest spots I needed most in the market. As some spots you have to see in the market as highest spot. It's meeting this highest spot. I mean, not highest spots in the market for me. And I'm so sure, and I'm seeing some candlestick and everything. And that can be size. And I know how to opt out. If I see So it's after and I also know that I know that I'm